Hi friends, good evening. It is extremely special when you reach your 1 crore savings. Let us explore how we can do that in this video. Hi guys, my name is Karan and you're watching me on your channel, and in today's video we will explore how we can reach the dream figure of 1 crore via a systematic route using mutual funds. When we start our investment journey, we always talk about retirement and doing lot of stuff. For that, we need money, and we normally talks about 1 crore savings, 2 crores, 5 crores, etc. Well, financial experts feel that it is always very hard to reach your first crore, right? After that. It is the power of compounding which does its magic. So when I say 1 crore, I am talking about 1 crore Indian rupees, right? So if you are watching this video outside India, you can convert it into your respective currency, right? We will explore in this video. Okay, so let's say we take a mutual fund route. We took some advice from a mutual fund advisor, and we start the SIP journey. So SIP is nothing but a systematic investment plan where we regularly invest a portion of our savings into a mutual fund which is managed by a professional asset management company. Okay, so we will start with a saving of rupees 10,000, and slowly and steadily we will increase the amount. So let us assume that we start investment with 10,000. So guys, 10,000 Indian rupees will take approximately 20 years with a rate of return of 12% to become 1 crore. So if that is okay for you, start. Okay, but if you just step up, if you add 5% every year, if you increase your investment by 5%, so to reach 1 crore you will then need to wait only for 17 years. Okay, so that's about 10,000. Let us talk about a 20,000 Indian rupees investment every month will take how many years to become 1 crore? Okay, so it will take 15 years. 20,000 invested in a mutual fund, in 15 years you will get your 1 crore, assuming a decent 12% return on investment. But if you top it up, if you increase your investment 5% every year, then it will take only 13 years, right? Let's go to 25,000 investment every month of a SIP. A 25,000 SIP in a mutual fund will convert into 1 crore in just 13 years, 12% ROI. If you increase by 5% every year, it will take only 12 years. Good news. Let us go to the next step. Just invest 30,000 every month. By investing 30,000 SIP every month, it will take only 12 years, guys. 30,000 SIP for 12 years will give us 1 crore, assuming a 12% rate of interest. But if you top it up by 5% every year, then you will take only 11 years to reach 1 crore. Finally, I will touch one more figure and then I will just talk about my experience. A 40,000 Indian rupee invested in a mutual fund scheme will give us 1 crore in only 10 years. But if you can top it up by 5% every year, it will take only 9 years to reach 1 crore. Okay, so as I said, once you reach your 1 crore investment, you will have a tremendous self-confidence, and that self-confidence will only lead you to manage your money even better, and the power of compounding will always work for you. It will take no time for your 1 crore to become 1.5 crore, 2 crores and beyond, and you can very easily plan a good life, a happy life, a financially free life, and you can live a life of your choices. So my suggestion is that you might be skeptical, right? If you have not invested in mutual funds, you might be skeptical that okay, if this happened, if that happens, my money might go for a toss, I lose my money, FD is safe. There are a lot of reasons for not investing, but you have to find one reason for which you have to invest. If you think you have other instruments that can give you 1 crore uh, in the let's say 10-15 years, go ahead. But mutual fund, they have delivered results, guys. 12% is a very nominal rate of return which you can assume in a good mutual fund scheme. So my personal suggestion, because I also invest in mutual funds on a monthly basis, and I have been doing it for almost 5 years now, and my experience has been extremely good. There were years when we were hit by coronavirus, so our funds went down, which was a blessing in disguise because we never stopped investing. Whatever SIP was getting deducted, it kept on deducting. So we were able to get more units for in our portfolio. That's how the industry works, guys. So when you start investing, you will always see cycles. So don't be worried, right? Because that's how the economy is, that's how the world is. It is not it is unpredictable. Sometimes it will go up, sometimes it will go down. There will be wars, there will be macroeconomic issues, there will be geopolitical issues, wars, pandemics, etc. But your job is not to time the market, your job is just to stay steady. If you have decided to invest 15-20,000, stick to that amount. Select 2-3 good funds, one large cap, one flexi cap, and one small cap, mid cap. It is more than sufficient, and stay steady with that fund for 5-10 years. You will see the magic because they have already proved themselves. It is a proven investing instrument which is used throughout the world. Okay, and in India it is already catching up. So trust yourself. Okay, trust yourself. Get into this saving habit on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis. Start with a small amount, let's say 2,000 every month, 5,000, and as and when you gain confidence, increase the investment in mutual fund schemes. Okay, so guys, have a great time investing, because that's the only way we will secure our future and our family's future. You have my best wishes. Take care, enjoy. We will talk in our next video. Bye, guys.